The error, how we represent it. So here, what this actually means is like this f dash x. This is basically my y predicted, what I have predicted, and when I do like y minus y hat, that is like predicted one, and I do the square, then this gives me like a squared error, right? This will give me error, and expectation, if I put here, expectation will simulate what is the mean squared error. This expectation, this the, if it is written like expectation of this, then you, what you do, you like take each and every actual value, subtract it with predicted value, and then you square it, and then when you have a list of all subtracted and squared value, you take the mean of it, and that will give you the this error. All right. So now what we can do, this error can be further decomposed as bias square plus variance plus irreducible error. So any error, if I can write, it will be a combination of bias square plus variance plus irreducible error. Okay. So here, how we like mathematically write bias. Bias is will be equal to, here in this formula, if you say, uh, we will take the expectation of the predicted value. The what it will be a prediction on a test data or a train data, and here there I will take the expectation. That will, I will take the mean of all predictions. Okay, all prediction minus mean of all prediction minus your actual value, that will be y. And then what I will do, this will be my y bias. And if I talk about variance, what I'll do here, I will similar thing will happen. I will minus y hat, that is my predicted, minus mean of all predicted value, and this will be my variance. Okay, square you have to do, big square you have to do here. So, and when we sum it out and we write as a error, we write as a bias square plus variance plus irreducible error, and this is how we do it, right? This is how the mathematical representation happens.